Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Heritage Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, go to your default browser and search Heritage Bank Login. After that, you'll find login under Heritage Bank, just click here. You will see login on top right corner of your screen, just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already directed to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your member number and your password and simply log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.